Are your tomato plants not growing even after proper care? You water them, you add fertilizer, but still no growth? In this video, I'll explain the real reasons why tomato plants stop growing and how you can fix them step by step.
Stunted growth in tomato plants is a very common problem. It leads to weak plants, low yield, and poor fruit quality. If not fixed early, it can reduce your entire crop productivity. Cause 1. Poor soil nutrition. One of the biggest reasons is poor soil nutrition. Tomato plants need nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. If the soil lacks these, the plant cannot grow properly. Solution: use a balanced fertilizer and ensure your soil is rich in organic matter. Cause 2. Overwatering or poor drainage. Many farmers think more water means faster growth, but that's not true. Overwatering leads to root damage, oxygen deficiency, and slow growth. Solution: maintain proper drainage and water only when soil is slightly dry. Cause 3. Lack of sunlight. Tomato plants need at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. Without proper sunlight, growth slows down significantly. Solution: ensure your plants are placed in full sunlight. Cause 4. Pests and diseases. Pests and diseases can also stop plant growth. Common issues include aphids and fungal infections. These weaken the plant and reduce growth. Solution: use neem oil or proper pesticides to control pests early. To boost tomato growth, maintain proper spacing, use organic compost, monitor plant health regularly. Small changes can make a big difference. If your tomato plants are not growing, don't worry. Just identify the cause and fix it early. Follow these steps and you'll see better growth and higher yield. If this helped you, like, share, and subscribe to Agriculture Decoded for more farming tips.